Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Ask AI Assistant from Adobe Acrobat Reader. Let's get started. If you don't plan to use any artificial intelligence features, you may want to get rid of the button and remove it from the user interface. But no matter what you try, Acrobat Reader does not offer an option to hide or remove this feature. So let's find out how this could be used. There is an option to summarize the document. This really helps me avoid reading for 160 pages. Okay, let's give it a try. I always want to maximize my productivity. This is really bad. I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, close this window, then on the left side, click the menu button and select Disable New Acrobat Reader from the menu. The application needs to be restarted, so press the Restart button. Once the application restarted, the user interface changes, and AI Assistant is gone. I like the old user interface better. But what if you want to go back? Let me show you how to turn AI Assistants with the new user interface back on. To turn the AI Assistant back on, go to the View menu and select Enable New Acrobat Reader. The application will ask you to restart again. So there you have it. This is my video on how to remove Ask AI Assistant from Adobe Acrobat Reader. I hope you liked it. See you in the next one.